Sully here, the retired tanker yanker, with a public service announcement. A lot of you, like me, are under orders to stay home from government officials. Now, yes, a lot of us aren't sick, and a lot of us don't want to get sick. So if you do have to go out, remember to observe social distancing. Remember, 6 feet apart or 6 feet under. Now, essential travel is permitted, and if you absolutely positively need to do something, like, say, go to the market, well, that's considered essential, and that's something you need to do. But stop and think for a minute. There is a workforce in this country of over 3 million men and women who are considered essential, who have to go to work every day. And I don't think we appreciate them enough. I'm talking about truck drivers. Truck drivers, the men and women who are bringing the things that are filling the stores. Now, there are some items that are in short supply and even sold out. Rest assured that these men and women are working tirelessly to see that the stores are resupplied and the shelves properly stocked so that you and I have what we need during this time. Now, having been a truck driver for 25 years, I can tell you that life on the road is not exactly what you would call a bed of roses. But there's a lot of men and women out there who wouldn't trade that profession for the world. I was one of them. And especially now, when you're forced to eat on the road, and you go into a truck stop and the restaurant is closed. So you want to go up to a store that has a drive-through, but you can't take your truck there, and they won't let you walk up to the window. That's absolutely insane. These people have to eat too. They have to go to the bathroom. Bathrooms and truck stops are closed down. Bathrooms and rest areas are closed down. They're forced to use filthy, disgusting porta potties. It might seem like a minor inconvenience to you, but for these people, it's their life. It's their livelihood. It's not a hobby. Truck drivers aren't out there driving trucks for the fun of it. They're out there to make a living. Truck drivers are unappreciated and underpaid in this country. So, if you have it, a truck brought it, appreciate that. Appreciate the sacrifice being made by the driver. Weeks, even months away from home. Just so that you have what you need. Stop and think about it for a minute. Remember, we will get by. We will survive. For Transitions, this is Sully, the retired tanker yanker. Safe and happy travels. And thank you, America's truckers.